Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Chef Shipra Khanna, and along with some of your favorite chefs, we'll give you a recipe for every single school day, which is healthy and delicious. So today I'm going to be making Jam Mathri for you. It's going to be a sweet treat for your children. So come, let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. I'm going to put some olive oil and let it heat. These mathris are going to be shallow fried, and it's very simple and easy. In a bowl, we add whole wheat flour. This is jaggery mixed in water. I'm going to add this, fennel seeds, and here I have some white sesame seeds. You can add extra water to form the dough. The dough has to be soft, it doesn't have to be hard. And once the dough is ready, we'll just divide it into equal portions. I'm going to flatten it a little bit, bit of oil. So now I'm going to add Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam, which is going to give a fresh fruit flavor to my mathri. And then I'm going to flatten it lightly. This goes in the pan. Now I'm going to turn it a little. The mathris need to be cooked on a very low speed because otherwise the outer crust is going to be crunchy and the inside is going to be left uncooked, which we don't want. So this is almost done. Now I'm going to shut the gas and I'm going to take out this Jam Mathri. Alright, so let's pack it in the tiffin. It's nice and crispy. So let's put some kiwi and some makhanas in the tiffin as well. So I hope I've sorted your tiffin problem out. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to India Food Network, and I'll be back soon with yet another recipe and to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.